Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your SIM is active and voicemail is enabled by your carrier, and keep your voicemail PIN or password at hand. Once done, unlock the Realme phone and open the phone app. This is where voicemail setup begins. Next, tap the keypad tab and press and hold the one key to call your carrier voicemail number. You do this now because many carriers provision greetings and access codes during first call. When connected, listen carefully and follow automated prompts to create or change your voicemail PIN. This secures access. After PIN setup, choose the option to record a personal greeting. Speak clearly, state your name and a short message, then save and confirm. Once saved, hang up and return to phone app settings. Open Settings voicemail to ensure notifications, vibration, and sound are enabled so you don't miss messages. This ties system-level alerts with your carrier mailbox. You finish by testing the setup. Call your number from another phone and leave a message, then check notifications and the voicemail inbox. If you don't receive the message, restart your Realme and revisit voicemail settings. Also confirm carrier activation and correct voicemail number. If problems persist, enable visual voicemail or install your carrier's app, since some carriers require that for advanced features. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.